A very good morning to everyone who's probably listening to this a small pep talk, I should say. I am Dr. Nikhil Motiramani, working as an interventional cardiologist. Today, this is a small talk about how we can prevent heart diseases. As we know that heart diseases are something that affects nearly everyone, and India is one of the leading capitals in the development of chronic heart diseases. There are in many forms. There can be heart blocks, there can be electrical problems causing blocks, there can be muscle dysfunction of heart. So how can we prevent them? Definitely there are many factors which are preventable. Amongst them, some are specifically blood pressure. We need to keep our life stress free. We need to know how that we can manage stress. We need to have healthy eating habits. And when I say healthy eating habits, what does that mean? That means that most of the things that we neglect is fruits and the parts of fruits in our diet, because fruits and dry fruits, that is known as Mediterranean diet, part of Mediterranean diet, it has shown to be helpful in reducing the blood pressure itself. So that as a part should be included in a regular diet. Definitely we should avoid high cholesterol diet, high fat diet. Definitely oil should be reduced. Salt intake is something that should be reduced. And when we say reduced, it is saying reduced. It doesn't mean that we are going to stop it. Controlling blood sugars, that is very important to those patients who are diabetics. Adequate control of blood pressure. Avoid smoking, alcohol intake. These are major things that you can prevent your heart being diseased. Causative agents which cause heart blocks, heart attacks, and so. Apart from this, there are certain things that many of us ask to us, that how does this blood pressure, diabetes or kidney diseases actually affect heart? So when we were talking before how to prevent these diseases, so what this blood pressure and all does, it causes hardening of the arteries where the blood is flowing. It also leads to some pressure changes of the arteries that may actually cause whatever the block is there to rupture or erode. So when it is eroded, then the chances of heart attack becomes more. Similarly, diabetes is, that is why sometimes labeled as sweet poison. So what it causes is, it causes building of those cholesterol plaques and all in the arteries, and it can lead to the heart blocks and heart attacks happening. Chronic kidney diseases again causes the same things, and it also causes something called as inflammation in the body, which is in form of low grade, but it keeps on happening, and that attracts more and more platelets, our blood cells, and the causative agents of the plaques, and causing heart diseases, ailments. Chronic kidney diseases can also cause weakening of the muscles that are leading to dilated cardiomyopathy, which sometimes your doctors would have told you कि आपके heart का pumping function कम है, your EF has gone down. So this is how they affect. And how to prevent this? I would say get your complete heart checkup, health checkup being done regularly, and this is the way you can keep an eye on your health and you can know when the changes happen.